Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and save notes as templates in Evernote in just a few simple steps. First, open an existing note that you want to turn into a template. In this case, I'm opening a note titled To-Do List. Click the Add to Shortcuts icon at the top, then click the New Note button in the Notes list to create a fresh note. Type a name for your template in the title field. For this example, I'm calling mine Sample Note. Click into the note body and add any text or formatting you want in the template. The text saves automatically as you type. Once you're done, click the More Actions button at the top right of the note to open the Options menu. From the menu, select Save as Template. A banner appears at the top confirming you're now editing your template. A notification pops up showing your note has been added to templates. Click the Use this template button to test it. This creates a new note from your saved template. Your saved templates live in the Templates section, which you can access from the left sidebar. If you need to edit a template later, open it from that section, make your changes, and save it again. The changes apply immediately. Templates work best for recurring tasks like meeting agendas, weekly reviews, or project checklists. Anything you create regularly with the same structure. You can build a library of templates for different purposes and reuse them whenever you need a consistent starting point. And that's how to create and save notes as templates in Evernote. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.